Second video, angle of friction. Angle of friction. Angle of friction. So what is the angle of friction? Suppose one horizontal surface, one block placed on the horizontal surface. So the normal upward direction, weight also downward direction, applied force forward direction, friction also backward direction. Here reaction force also developed here, Fr is the reaction force, theta is the angle of friction. So angle of friction definition, angle made by the resultant reaction force and the friction force with a normal, that is called angle of friction. So tan theta is equal to F by N. Tan theta S equal to Fs by N. Tan theta S equal to Fs mu s N by N. So N cancel. Tan theta S equal to mu s. Theta S equal to maximum angle of static friction. Maximum angle of theta S is maximum angle of static friction. Theta S is more than theta. So here reaction force Fr equal to root over Fr equal to N into root over mu s square plus 1. So Fr equal to mg into mu s means tan theta s, tan theta s whole square plus 1. So Fr equal to mg into root over secant square theta s, square root cancelled. So Fr equal to mg secant theta s. Reaction force of the formula, Fr is equal to mg secant theta s. Fr equal to mg by cos theta s. Fr equal to mg by cos theta s. The angle of friction. Angle of repose. Next, angle of repose. Angle of repose. Theta equal to alpha. This is a block is the inclined surface, rough inclined plane. One block placed on the rough inclined plane. The block also sliding down. That angle is called angle of repose. Here block placed on the rough horizontal surface and block also sliding down. Here angle theta equal to alpha. That is called angle of repose. Here block divided components. Mg theta, mg cos theta, mg sin theta. Here friction force also developed backward direction, Fk. Friction force developed backward direction, normal upward direction. So mg sin theta, equal to Fk. Mg sin theta equal to mu k into n. So n balance to mg cos theta. So mg sin theta equal to mu k into mg cos theta. So mg cancel. So sin theta by cos theta cos theta equal to mu k. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to mu k. Mu k. Here theta equal to alpha. So tan alpha equal to mu k. So this is the angle of repose formula. Angle of repose. Angle of repose theta is equal to therefore this is a rough inclined plane. The block placed on the rough inclined plane. The block slide down. That angle is called angle of repose. Here the mg divided two components, mg cos theta, mg sin theta. The mg sin theta balanced to fk, n balanced to mg cos theta. Here mg sin theta equal to fk. Mg sin theta is equal to mu k into f. Mg sin theta equal to mu k mg cos theta. Both are cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta equal to mu k. Sin theta by cos theta equal to mu k. Conditions here, three conditions there. Case 1. If theta less than mu k, the block does not move. Theta less than mu k, block does not move. Case 2. Theta equal to mu k, the block impedance. Theta equal to mu k, block impedance. Case 3. Theta greater than mu k. The block slide down. Block will slide down. Here mg cos theta balanced to n, mg sin theta fk, friction backward direction. So mg sin theta minus fk mu k cos theta equal to ma. So mg sin theta, mg mu k into n, mg cos theta. So mg sin theta minus mu k mg cos theta equal to ma. Here m cancel. So a is equal to g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. The acceleration of the block. The block is smooth surface. Block on smooth surface. Their acceleration equal to a into g sin theta. Since mu k equal to 0. The block on smooth surface, inclined plane smooth surface, a equal to g sin theta. The block also placed rest position. So find out the velocity. So v square minus u square equal to 2as. Initially block also rest position, that u equal to 0. So v square equal to 2a into l. L is the length of the block. So length of the inclined plane. So v is equal to rho into a g sin theta into l. So v is equal to root 2g sin theta into l. Here a is equal to g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So v square minus u square. This smooth surface, here rough surface. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So v square minus 0 equal to 2 into g sin theta minus mu k cos theta into l. So v is equal to root over 2g sin theta minus mu k cos theta into l. This time period. Smooth surface is rough surface formula. Smooth surface V is equal to root 2 GL sin theta into L. V is equal to root 2 G sin theta minus mu k sin theta into L. Time taken of the block. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initially rest position u equal to 0. S is equal to L 0 plus half a g sin theta. A equal to g sin theta into p square. It is smooth. So t square is equal to 2l by g sin theta. T equal to root over 2l by g sin theta. Here t equal to root 2l rough surface 2l by g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. mu k g cos theta. G common, g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. T smooth.